Hey everyone, it's Dear from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing Dell's Rugged Active Pen, the PN720R, which works with our Dell Latitude Rugged Tablets, 7220, 7230, and the brand new 7030. Let's jump in. Let's go ahead and cut the seal. So this is an IP55 rated, so it's perfect for ruggedized environments where you want something a little bit more durable than the standard passive pen. Here's your quick start guide, how to put in the battery, which is quad A, warranty, safety, regulatory information. Let's push that all aside and let's take a look at the active pen itself. So here is your active pen. You do have buttons right here. Now you do have a spot for some spare nibs directly in the pen itself, which is pretty slick. To remove the battery takes a little bit more force. You're able to spin that out and you'll see some information on the part as well as the battery. So let's pop that in. And we're all set. So I've got the standard passive pen as well as the active pen. If you look at the difference from a nib perspective, definitely more accuracy. The beautiful thing with our rugged tablets is you can fit your active pen directly in the handle or the passive pen. It fits, just depending on what you are using. And then from an accessory standpoint, if you think about the magnetic mount or the rotating hand strap, there will be a spot to attach the pen. So something to keep in mind when you think about the full ecosystem. So I've got my active pen over here, my rugged tablet. It's got paint open just to do a quick test. So as you see, testing 1, 2, 3. This is the PN720R. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.